Shantou Civino Bag Company Limited is one professional bag supply supplier in Shantou, China. Our associated factory is located in Haojiang District, very close to Shantou. We produce the domestic bag, men's toiletry bag, hand wash bag, lipstick bag, sport bag, domestic bag sets, attaché bag, fashion bags. All these organizer bags are widely used for daily life, travel, business trip. Our factory have more than 30 years experience. Passed the BSCI and ISO 9001 test, covers an area of 20,000 square meters. We have 200 skillful workers support, have efficiency sales team and competitive price priority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 20 countries, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Russia, Mexico, USA, Middle East, UK, and South Africa. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. We are on original basis to equip add digital printer, thermal transfer machine, laser cutting fabric machine. Also, we have our own sample room, can be professional production team and designers can better cooperate and serve customers' requirements. Our R&D department provides the strong technical support and enable us to do more OEM, ODM projects. We can produce at least 3,000 bags per day. We are a reliable supplier of domestic bags, supply free design, and more professional advice service. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.